Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to allhairandbeautysalon.com. Today we are going to have another beautiful product that I use. I'm going to do a review on that product. To be honest with you, I've used it on clients and it's the best thing. One of the best products I've used in the salon, and that product is called Eden Beauty product, and it's really natural. So it's RUTH Eden. And to be honest with you, I've done a couple of reviews on product, but this is one of the best things. That I got a conditioner, a shampoo, and the moisturizer, and you can tell it's so, when we say something is moisturized natural hair, Eden Wood product is one of it. All the product, the name, I may get the name wrong, but just check the name. I'm using it on this beautiful girl. Her hair is natural 4C, as you can tell. And this is the shampoo. The video has been forwarded, that's why you can see that the hair is moving a lot. I'm very gentle with her, but just that we have to forward it. We did from wash and blow dry, treatment and everything, so it's a long video. So when you see me moving the hair, it's not like I'm rough with hair. I'm very gentle, but we need to speed it up. So that is a speeding up of the video. So I use the shampoo, and you can see it takes away every build-up. Oh my, can you see that the client is feeling it as well? And it doesn't leave the hair dry. So I didn't want to give a bad review, so I asked the client to feel it herself. And my God, look, she is really enjoying it. Normally, I've been doing her hair for a while, and normally when you use any product that doesn't agree with her hair, it leaves it so dry. But that is one of the best products. Yep. I wanted to get the best result and do a genuine review. That's why I'm using a lot of product. I didn't want to just use a bit of it and not give a genuine review. And the product, so I don't use it on my hair, because if I use it on my hair, I may judge wrongly. So I get a couple of clients in and I do their hair, and they give me a genuine review. Look at that. It cleans it really well. And you can, I don't know, you can't feel it, but you can tell that it wasn't like dry. So I'm using the hair moisturizer, the conditioner, sorry. I'm using the conditioner to do a deep condition for hair. I'm using as much as I can get on the hair. I don't want to skip anything for me to not be true to the product. This product is really good for 4C hair. Massage it, massage it. Don't forget to do that whenever you put any product in anybody's massage it, so that there will be a proper blood circulation. And if there is any proper massaging, trust me, your hair will really definitely grow. Oh my God, I love to massage my clients' hair. So I'm putting it under the dryer for 20 minutes by using the product, the conditioner. And let's wait after the 20-30 minutes. Let's see how good that one is as well. So that is the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is a bit milky, which you check what I'm going to see. I don't want to rush and tell you anything, but you will see. That is the leave-in conditioner. So the first thing is I use the shampoo and I use the conditioner and left it in for 20 minutes under the steamer. Rinse it off, and of course, those who have been following my video or those who have been watching my video, of course, after rinsing it, I'll just splash the cold water on it, and I brought the hair back to the sea, put the hair moisturizer in it, put the leave-in conditioner, and the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner is one fantastic one. I will always say I'm not being too harsh on the hair. It's been speed up, because I don't want anybody to say that, oh, she's too rough to the hair. I love natural hair. I love every hair. I love natural hair. And natural hair can be very fragile if you don't do it gently. So that video has been speed up. Look at that. Look at that. So every session, I just don't apply product on all the hair. You may miss a point. So every session, I just put the product in so that we don't miss anything. Yeah, so I'm just doing the last session as well. She said, where can I get look at that. It defined the curls. Do you know that we all have curly hair in our hair? It defining the curl pattern. I think I've loved that product, to be honest. It's not because I'm doing a review about it, but genuinely I was dying for the product. I was like, oh my God, if that can bring your curls in, look at that. It defined the curls. And you know, when you wash the hair, you think that, oh, it's proper afro hair without any curl pattern in it. But after using that leave-in conditioner, you can tell that is the best product to use. One of the best to use on our hair. And when I'm doing the blow dry, you know, I always start from the tip, then I work my way to the root. Yeah. You will always sweat. And you can tell that it's not, I'm not pulling the hair. You could have seen from her face, but I'm just doing my job. It makes blow drying so easy. I'm going to trim the hair. Look at that. It's still, you can see that it moisturizes the hair. So the last bit I'm going to use is the moisturizing cream. And you can see, and this is what you need for natural hair. Trust me, not greasy, but moisturized product that will moisturize the hair. And this lady, this my client, when we finish, we're going to do a full weave on her hair. So if you have something that moisturizes the hair, by the time she comes back to take the weave out, wash and that, you can tell that she's not going to lose hair. But when you use so much greasy and not any moisturizing product, by the time she comes back to take the weave out, you can see that the hair she will be having split hair and the hair will be all over on the floor. That's why we chose this beautiful product to use on the hair. And if you want any inquiries, please leave a comment below. Where to find it, where to get it, please let me know. And if you want any question about this product, leave a comment below. And all the product, the name and everything will be left on the description box below. You will see everything on the description box below. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and trust me, we only give genuine review on any products we receive. That's why we don't use it on one client. We've used it on several clients on natural hair, and they love this product. I didn't use it on my hair, so you can tell them it's not a fake review. So if you need this product, where to get them? All my clients that I've been using on their hair, they love it. So we are stocking a lot in the salon for those who will need it. So if you need any information about the product, please leave a comment below and you will get it. It's a beautiful product. It's from our own people, and it's so good. The person who did that has done a very good research about it. Before she sent me that, I was following her and I knew that she put a lot of love in the product. So please look at how shiny the hair is. It's RUTH Eden hair products. RUTH Eden hair product. So please, the product is done with love and it's all natural product. Let me know your view about it. Have you used this one before? Let me know. What do you think about the product? Let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I love you all so much because I've got so many people subscribing to the channel. The more you subscribe to it, the more I feel like coming out with new tutorials. So please continue to tell a friend and continue to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and stay blessed.